Hey, what's up guys? Victor Suarez here again. We decided to come to one of the jobs we're doing to show you a little bit of what we do, right? So here's the van, here's the job, let's go take a look inside. Come on in guys, let me show you what we do here. Come on this way. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it because they're still painting, but we have some recessed lighting installed on the eaves of the house, just to give that modern looking, that modern feeling to it, throughout the sides over here on the eaves too. Come on guys, let's check this out. We have installed many recessed lights over here because the owners wanted a modern look. They want it to be high efficiency, green, right? So that's why we have LED lights going throughout the whole house. All of them, most of them recessed in the ceilings, as you can see. If we go this way over here, we're gonna have like a little wine rack, a little show off for them to display their bottles and everything. It's gonna have some LED strips. It's gonna be sick, actually. One of the main things that we pride ourselves on here in Electrical Assistance is the panels that we make. We try to do everything top notch, all the details, all the wiring going straight to it, and and everything in between. So here's one of our sub panels of the job that we're doing currently. Arc fault breakers installed per code in every place that we need them to be. One of the other things we do here is low voltage stuff. So in this case, what the owner wanted was a central closet low voltage panel where all the coaxials and Ethernet cables, everything's going to come to here. We're going to have our modem over here as well, with an exit also to the printer so that they can hook it all up. Here's our panel, here's our low voltage stuff. So everything has been made, so it's up to the customer's need and how they want things done. Here we have the kitchen. We're gonna have our plug dedicated circuit for the refrigerator right here. We have one of our dedicated circuits for the counter over here, as well as a switch for the under cabinet lights, which are gonna be LED strips. The transformers all the way back there. Our stub out for the hood over here, as well as our 220 line 50 amp for the oven that the customer has chosen. We've got another circuit over here, dedicated circuit for the counter plugs, with a pipe going down because we're gonna have an island right over here where the stub out is. Pardon our mess over there. We're gonna have an island over here which is gonna have two plugs, one on either end, also a microwave on the cabinet. So we have to pull those circuits, and I wanted to give the customer a way that if they needed to pull more lines to here, they had an access over there. So that's what these is gonna be. We've got another under cabinet light there, LED strip that's gonna come once the top cabinets are installed. We've got plug and a switch here for the disposal over there, and we've got two more sets of plugs and switch for the outside lights.